Okay, look, it's an off-roading vehicle. So I sustained the shot right there. I kind of bent this back in shape. I can sand this off and paint it tank green. I can live with that. You know, and then I remembered from a long time ago, I took a shot right here too. A branch hit me, so a tiny little dimple there. But I think I can salvage the plug in the lamp. I can order 2 OEM bezels that the directionals plug into for I don't know, like 45 bucks, I think. My lights, I had to remove them from the mounts here, and then because the Warn winch is so large, it's very difficult to get the clips into these holes. And then what I have here, these are all my leads for the red LED lights that sit behind the grill. So yeah, I like this. I think a little bit of paint right here, I can live with that. And I really worked some magic on the freaking grill. Oh man. All right, so that's what the bezel looks like. This of course has a they're normally in the 2015 white. I used some nightshade and gave them 2 coats. And then I used my heat gun right there and softened this plastic up to kind of bend it into position, and then reinforced it all in the back with Gorilla Tape. Nothing wrong with that at all. I mean, look, you can pick up one of these freaking grills on Craigslist for $100, $125. I could buy a brand new black OEM one for $280. But for now, I think this will work. I'll get this back in, and here's my LED strips right here for the lights. I think now I can get this grill back in. Of course, I don't think I'm going to put it in tonight because I have a little tank green paint, spray paint, and I want to paint that piece on the driver's side that got dented a little bit. I entertained just cutting them with a cutoff wheel and kind of trimming them in, but for now I think I'm going to keep them as is. In case one day in the future I stop wheeling and I want to bring it back to showroom, I might have a professional body man touch up the corner with a little bit of Bondo, but I'm pleased with this. This is okay. Again, it's an off-roading vehicle. All right, not perfect, but we can make it work. New directional lenses, as well as lamps. Redid the LED lights inside, remounted the cube lights. You can see some of the damage here. So what happened is the branch hit this and spun it around. It curved right in there. Used the heat gun, kind of reformed it into shape and put some Gorilla Tape behind it. Dented this up a little bit. Tried to pull it out a little with my channel locks and paint it up. Not perfect, but we can live with that. And it'll get a sticker.